Calming Balance Gel. A lightweight hydrating gel made with Damask rose water and calming properties that restore sensitized skin caused by environmental stressors and seasonal changes. Calming Balance Gel. Moisture gel with calming effect. Ideal for sensitive skin. Key ingredients. Damask rose water. Contains vitamins and minerals designed to moisturize dry skin. 8-layer hyaluronic acid, composed of 8 types of low molecular weight, medium molecular weight, and high molecular weight to provide abundant moisture and elasticity. Gold, 24K99, 99 pure gold ingredients. Key benefits. The gentle gel formula comforts and soothes while reducing redness and keeps skin hydrated for up to 72 hours. 72-hour water retention test completed. Gel texture temporarily reduces the skin temperature with a cooling effect that soothes the skin and reduces irritation and inflammation. Skin primary irritation test completed. How to use. Apply a generous amount to your face, then massage gently until gold flakes are melted into the skin. Reapply additional layer when feeling extra dry. How to use with other Incellderm products. Mix with Daily Aqua BB for sheer coverage to create a naturally beautiful complexion.